Welcome to a new video in our tutorial series on the water footprint assessment tool. In the previous video, we introduced the free functionalities. Today, we will take a closer look at the business functionalities, starting with the raw product assessment. To run a raw product assessment, you can choose between agriculture or industrial materials. In version 2.1, only crops are available, while industrial products are still under development.
Once you click on a crop category, a new table will appear with specific crops. From here, you can select your crop. In this case, we'll go with spinach. Once you selected your crop, the results of the accounting step are displayed as a map. The map shows the region where the crop is grown, allowing the water footprint to be calculated. The right menu allows you to change the display. On the left menu, you can select which water footprint category to view: green, blue, gray, or total. With the top bar, you can move to the next step of the assessment. The raw material functionality is especially useful for analyzing the water footprint of one of your raw materials. In the accounting phase, the tool provides data on the annual green, blue, and gray water footprint of a crop broken down by country. Moving now to the sustainability step, you can explore data on the efficiency and sustainability of the crop's water footprint components worldwide, per country, and river basin. This allows you to compare different sourcing options and understand potential impacts on ecosystem resources. With the button at the bottom of the table, you can download and export this data. To dive deeper, the response formulation step provides further insights on benchmarking and water efficiency.